Hormone replacement therapy, or menopause hormone therapy, is usually something we consider and think about as you go through the perimenopausal and menopausal transition. What happens is your ovaries tends to start to produce less estrogen, less progesterone, and less testosterone. As these levels start to decline, you start to experience symptoms like hot flashes, night sweats, sleep disturbances, mood changes, anxiety, depression, as well as vaginal dryness, painful intercourse, skin changes, hair changes, weight gain, changes in your sex drive.
Winona provides bioidentical HRT with hormones identical to those naturally produced by your body.
Here at Winona, we offer several different treatment modalities. We offer oral pills, we offer patches, and we offer creams.
Each woman's body and needs are unique, and so is each HRT treatment plan. Begin your free visit today and start feeling like you again.